I'm going to try and become financially free by 2026, and here's how I'm doing it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Money Strategy Ava. As we approach 2026, I want to share with you my top personal finance tips to help you navigate the changing financial landscape. My goal is to become financially free, and I'm excited to share my strategy with you. The financial world is constantly evolving, and 2026 will be no exception. With inflation on the rise, new technologies emerging, and economic shifts happening, it's crucial to stay ahead of the game. One of the biggest challenges we'll face is adapting to these changes while keeping our finances on track. The good news is that with the right strategies, we can turn these challenges into opportunities. Another key aspect to consider is the impact of technology on our finances. From mobile banking to automated investing, there's no shortage of tools to help us manage our money. However, it's essential to stay informed and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. By being proactive and educated, we can make the most of these innovations and set ourselves up for success. As we look to 2026, it's also important to consider the potential economic shifts that may affect our finances. With changes in government policies, interest rates, and global events, it's vital to stay flexible and adjust our financial plans accordingly. By doing so, we can minimize risks and maximize returns. The job market is also expected to undergo significant changes, with more people exploring alternative income streams and entrepreneurship. This shift presents both opportunities and challenges, and it's crucial to have a solid financial foundation to navigate these changes. So, what are my top personal finance tips for 2026? First, I recommend starting to invest in a diversified portfolio, focusing on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. For example, consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread your risk. Second, make sure to prioritize saving, aiming to put away at least 20% of your income each month. This will help you build a safety net and achieve your financial goals. Third, I suggest taking a close look at your budget and making adjustments as needed. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Finally, focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible. When it comes to debt management, I recommend the snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first to build momentum and confidence. Alternatively, you can try the avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debts first to save money in interest payments. My absolute number one, most impactful personal finance tip for 2026 is to start building multiple income streams. This could be anything from starting a side hustle to investing in dividend-paying stocks. By diversifying your income, you'll be better equipped to handle financial shocks and achieve your long-term goals. Having multiple income streams will also give you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests, rather than just working for a paycheck. For example, if you're passionate about writing, you could start a blog or freelance writing on the side. This will not only bring in extra income but also provide a sense of fulfillment. To illustrate the power of multiple income streams, consider the example of someone who starts a part-time business on the side. This could generate an additional $1,000 per month, which can be invested or used to pay off debt. Over time, this can add up to significant wealth and financial freedom. By building multiple income streams, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial independence and living the life you want. To recap, my top tips for 2026 include investing in a diversified portfolio, prioritizing saving, adjusting your budget, paying off high-interest debt, and building multiple income streams. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared to navigate the changing financial landscape and achieve your financial goals. If you have any 2026 financial goals, share them with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Strategy Ava for more future-focused finance content and tips to help you achieve financial freedom.